Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about CONNECTONE BANCORP INC quarterly report. CONNECTONE BANCORP Inc. offers a wide range of financial services and products for individuals and businesses. The company's services include banking services, personal and business checking, money market, time and savings accounts, credit services, credit cards, wire transfer, security services, safe deposit boxes, automated teller machines, ATMs, online banking services, internet and mobile banking, retirement planning, retirement accounts, cash management services for businesses, Treasury Direct, automated clearinghouse, remote deposit capture, digital invoicing, loans, commercial loans, residential mortgages, home equity loans, bridge loans, personal loans, lines of credit, real estate loans, commercial property loans, multifamily property loans, residential mortgage loans, cooperative residential real estate loans. The stock price of CONNECTONE BANCORP Inc. has remained relatively stable over the past year, with no significant changes in its value. Several key events have contributed to this stability, including a merger with the First of Long Island Corporation (FLIC) that transformed it into a $14 billion regional financial institution. This expansion has provided a solid foundation for the company's growth and stability. Additionally, CONNECTONE BANCORP reported strong quarterly earnings, with net income increasing in Q3 2025 to $39.5 million and diluted EPS of $0.78. The company also announced a dividend payment of $0.18 per share, which may have attracted investors but had little impact on the stock price. The lack of significant movement in CONNECTONE BANCORP's stock price can be attributed to several factors, including the stability provided by the merger with FLIC and the company's strong quarterly earnings. The absence of any major negative news or events has also contributed to this stability, allowing the stock price to remain relatively unchanged over the past year. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. According to the financial summary, the company has achieved a significant milestone by producing a substantial amount of positive operating cash flow, totaling $58.7 million. This is a clear indication that the business is financially healthy and capable of sustaining itself without relying on external funding sources. The company's debt level has undergone several changes, although the overall total debt level remains unclear. Notable changes include an increase in loans pledged to secure borrowings from $1 million to $1 million between December 31, 2024 and September 30, 2025. Additionally, subordinated debentures switched from LIBOR to CME term SOFR +% on July 3, 2023, while fixed-to-floating rate subordinated notes were redeemed in full and replaced with new ones. Regarding interest expenses, there is a significant increase due to a decrease in the average cost of total deposits by 57 basis points. This change, combined with the impact of a $200 million long-term subordinated debt issuance during the third quarter of 2025, has led to an increase in interest expenses from $1 million in 2024 to $1 million for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025. Management's outlook on company strategy. The company's business strategy involves making limited investments while operating its bank subsidiary. The financial services industry remains the sole focus of operations, providing regional community banking services. A recent merger with FLIC has contributed to growth in average interest-earning assets and net interest income, further benefiting from a widening net interest margin. Management prioritizes maintaining a strong liquidity position to ensure the bank meets its contractual liabilities, depositor withdrawal requirements, and other operational needs. The adoption of new accounting standards is expected to have minimal impact on the company's financials. Overall, management is focused on steady growth and stability within the regional community banking sector. The company has made significant acquisitions in recent years. Notably, it merged with FLIC to acquire interest rate swap agreements, as detailed on page 21 of the report. Additionally, there was another acquisition involving FLIC, although further details are not provided, page 65. Unfortunately, no divestitures were mentioned in the financial summary. The company's financial summary reveals that it has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. This is evident from the mention of dividend payments on 2 separate pages, 15 and 56, in the financial report. In contrast, there is no indication of share buybacks, suggesting that the company has not repurchased any shares in recent times. That concludes the financial summary for CONNECTONE BANCORP INC. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.